All right, so this video is on a basic topic. Well, it should be basic. It's Volkswagen Audi coding. Many guys that own these cars are familiar with coding, can code themselves. I have done it as well. I got a little confused when I went to code my car because this is an 01 S4. Very popular vehicle. A lot of people have probably done what I'm about to do here. But anyway, I want to code it out because every time I start moving, as you'll see the central locking pump will kick on right there, and it locks the doors. I don't want it to do it. If it unlocked them, it would be better, but I want to disable it. So I went in to do coding. This is why I was a little lost. If I go to central locks, I'm going to change this so we can see there a little better. So if I go to recode, little box pops up as it always does. I was a little lost. I'm not gonna lie, I was confused. I'm used to basically, like, if you go into an engine controller, you have X's. Like, it'll give you an example, like where that 2 is, it'll have an X, and then down here it'll say if it's, you know, this engine you want a 1, if it's this engine you want a 6. That I understand. This I didn't understand. I was very much at a loss here. But it's basically math. So I'm at 16,172 currently. So I know that, here, point to it. I know that it's locking via speed. So it's basically adding. You add up every feature that you want to work, and there's only one combination that will give that number of things that are turned on. I don't know what the other things are. I didn't really care. I just mainly wanted to turn this off. So what I figured out is you just simply take away whatever you don't want and add what you do. So I assumed that I needed to take 32 away from 170 or 72, and I'm going to change that to 40. So 16,140. Do it. It should come back right here. Okay, so it took close controller, go back. I'm going to cycle the ignition. Gotta let it time out. Sometimes it takes a minute. Okay, unlocked it. Start driving. And you're going to see it's good. So, don't mind the pump running. That's, I have to fix that. Driver's door lock is, that actuator is leaking. So I'm going to pull back up here to the front of my shop. So anyway, that's it. I'm just going to give you an example of what I was talking about. If I go, I just went into engine. I'm going to go recode. Watch what pops up there. That I understand. I did not understand the other thing. I do now. So anyway, just did this video real quick just to shed a little light on the subject. I honestly, I looked forums, I looked around, I looked at Google, I looked at some Audi Zine forums and stuff. I found a little information, but nothing exactly what I was looking for. So that's why I threw this video together. Hopefully it helps some guys, and I look forward to doing the next one.